In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add alt text to your images in Wix with ChatGPT. First, make sure you are already logged in to both Wix and ChatGPT. Open your Wix dashboard and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Go to the page that contains the image you want to update. Click on the image so you can review what is shown. This will help you create accurate alt text that clearly describes the image. Next, switch to ChatGPT and paste in a prompt asking for SEO-friendly alt text for a Wix website image. Include a short image description, such as a modern coffee shop interior with customers working on laptops, wooden tables, large windows, and natural lighting. Then add your requirements. Ask for 3 alt text variations. Keep each one under 125 characters. Make sure the image content is clearly described. Use natural language. Include relevant SEO keywords when appropriate. Avoid keyword stuffing, and return only the alt text options. Once ChatGPT gives you the results, copy the alt text option you want to use. Return to Wix and click the image again. From the image toolbar, click Settings. In the image settings, find the alt text field labeled What is in the image. Tell Google, paste your alt text into that field, then click Done to save the image settings. After that, move on to the next image on your site. Click the new image and review what it shows. Go back to ChatGPT and update the image description in your prompt so it matches the new image. Generate a fresh set of alt text options and copy the one you prefer. Then return to Wix, open the image settings, and paste the alt text into the alt text field. As you work, make sure each alt text entry is specific to the image and written in clear natural language. When you finish, review each image to confirm that alt text has been added. Then click Preview to check the page and make sure everything looks correct. If everything is ready, click Publish in the top right corner. Finally, open the live page to confirm that your changes have been published successfully. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.